Welcome. Knock, knock. Okay. So here we have a nice, ready to install those vinyl plank flooring that we got outside. So we ripped up the carpet and we cleaned the area so we can have a nice clean area once we go ahead and install the vinyl plank flooring. And the boss man here, he is taking out staples. All right, so we have the stair nose staircase on. We have the lips in place, so they are being glued down, set in place. I didn't apply some glue. Hopefully that's not dry all the way. Apply some glue here. Okay. So we got our first staircase in, and that looks beautiful. Okay, so here's where we are. We pretty much almost got it wrapped up. We just gotta make some risers. So we are gonna finish this out when we come back. Okay, so let's get a close-up of what we turn this staircase into. Here we go. This is beautiful. Look at that. Bam, bam, each step of the way. So let's get a fullness of this here. Ooh, that is bright. It is shining, and we love to see it. Okay, we going upstairs. Okay.
This is so nice. Oh. Look, babe. Look. Babe, you like?
I like it.
See? That's beautiful.
It's good.
It's bringing a lot of warmth in this space right here. Our clients love their stairway, and it just so happens that it is right in front of their door. So this has been a project that they've been wanting done for so long, and they finally got their dream staircase, kind of welcoming, calming staircase. All of the staircasing is all painted. I also went ahead and did the caulking all the way down on this side. So now we are going to do this side. You can see the difference. You can see right through those little shadowy holes all the way up. Okay, here is the final look, guys. We have caulked everything. Everything is painted. Look at that. Beautiful. That is the finishing look. Okay. A world of mess, but we did it. Come upstairs. Look at that. Everything is nice and seamless. All the cuts look amazing.